Welcome to my project.com.
Now we discuss about an automatic graph-based approach for artery vein classification in retinal images. The classification of retinal vessels into artery vein is an important base for automatic the detection of vascular changes and for the calculation of characteristic signs associated with several systematic diseases such as diabetes, hypertension and other cardiovascular conditions. This paper presents an automatic approach for AV classification based on the analysis of graphs extracted from the retinal vascular tree. The proposed method classifies the entire vascular tree deciding on the type of each intersection point and assigning one of the two labels to each vessel segment. Final classification of vessel segment as artery vein is performed through the combination of graph-based labeling results, which is a task intensity feature. This is the flow diagram for our proposed system. It expresses what is the flow of our process. First, we give the retinal image. It is the input image. The retinal image contains fovea, optic disc and vascular trees, and also it is our eye image. Now we go to convert the retinal image into gray linear image. In this process, we separate or extract some red, blue or green from the color image. So the color image will be converted to the grayscale image. Now we go to the vessel segmentation process. In this process, we extract the vascular tree in the retinal image. In this process, we use neurobiological operation. Now we go to extract the graph from the vessels. Here we extract three types of nodes called end node, intersection node and split node. In the end node will be the edge node of the vessels, and the intersection node, the two vascular trees will be cross each other. The split node, the one vascular tree will be go to two way in this point. Now we extract the feature by central line fixers. The central line fixers extract by the two end node and the intersection node and the splitter node. And the feature will be the central line fixer is like intensity of red, green, blue and give saturation and intensities. We extract the 13 types of feature of each central line fixer, and that feature will be go to the classification process. Here we use KNM classifier. Here we give the group. One is the artery and another is the vein. Now the group will be classified by the threshold of the feature. Now the result will be show the retinal image by segment the two types of vessels. It is one is the vein and another one is the artery. The two types of vessels separated by the different color. Now I demo how to run our project. First open the MATLAB and then right click the main.m file and run that file. Then vessel segment panel will be open. In this process, first we browse the input image from the dataset. Here the retinal image. Now the retinal image will be chosen. Then I convert to the retinal image into gray image. Now it will be show the error. Please choose red, green or blue. Now I choose the red. Here only the red color background will be there. Another green and blue are separated. Then we segment the red image for the vessels only shown. Here the neurobiological operation panel will be open because we give the input for the neurobiological operation, which will separate the vessels will accurately. Now to select the auto will give the pure result. Now I select the disc. Here enter the disc radius. I will give the disc radius as 3. Now then press the segment button to segment the vessels. After the morphological operation, the feature extraction process window will be opened. It is the vessel segmented image. First, we extract the node from that image. Then, the node will be created in our vessel tree. Here, some options will be there, and we choose some options. We separate the node. Now I select node only at the end node, and now select the overall. The all end nodes will be shown. Now I remove the node, and then I select the end node only in the vessel tree. The vessel tree get only the end nodes. Then press the close button to close the tail. After node creation, our vessel trees get the centerline pixels. It is the centerline pixels of our vessel trees. Now we go to the extract the feature. Now the feature will be extracted. Then go to the classify the artery and vein. And it is the final result of our retinal image. The red color shows the artery of the retinal trees, and also the blue color shows the vein in the retinal trees. It is the performance graph of our system. Now it is existing system, it is shows above the 80. Now our proposed performance accuracy is reached to above 90. Now we will press the home button to start the segmentation process, and we give the exit button to exit the process. Now I choose the home button to go to the segmentation process. Then our vessel segmentation window will be open. Now we go to done the another process. We give the same image, and I will change the input so that our result will be how to change. We see. Now we browse the image from the dataset folder. I will choose the same image. Now I will choose the green color for the process. Now we separate the red and blue. Now we will only choose the green color. Then we go to the segmentation process. Then the morphological operation window will be open. Now I choose this process the automatic segmentation. Now I will select the segmentation process to segment the vessel in the retinal. Then feature extraction window will be open. It is our segmented vessel. Now I go to extract the node of our vessel. Now the vessel with node, the window will be open. Now I choose only the intersection node will be shown. Now our result contains that end nodes with the intersection nodes. Then we extract the feature of the centerline pixels. Now go to classify the artery and vein of our retinal image, and it is the final output of our modified inputs. Now the red color shows the artery and the blue shows the vein. Now it is the performance graph of our current process. It is the existing process, it is not changed, and our proposed will be changes, some accuracy will be changing. Now press the home button to go to the first process, and press the exit button to exit the process. Thank you.